Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In this video I'm going to be trying out Cantu's new avocado collection, and I say new because they already released a newer line, and that's the flaxseed oil line, I think it is. But I was really interested in this avocado collection because I don't know, the avocado thing really caught my attention, so I wanted to try it. So the avocado collection released in like February or March, like a few months ago now, because it's May right now. But it was so hard getting my hands on the full line, and I still don't have my hands on the full line, which I'm a little bit bummed about, but I'm just going to try whatever I do have today. Cantu doesn't sell their products directly on their website, and that seems like a little bit inconvenient. And if I had my own hairline, I would want my customers to be able to purchase directly from me. Cantu sells their products at local drugstores like CVS, Walgreens, and even Walmart and stuff like that. But the problem is that I could never find the full collection in one location. So for me, I bought this at a CVS, I bought this at Walmart, I bought this one at the 100 CVS that I visited, I bought this one at Walgreens. Like, it was just all over the place, and I still haven't found the full collection in one location. So the products I am going to be trying out today are the shampoo and conditioner, and then I have the curl activator, as well as the curling cream. So I already washed and conditioned my hair, and I do have some thoughts I want to share with you guys on both of these products. And these are both made with avocado oil and shea butter, and they are supposed to moisturize and soften dry and brittle hair. But the thing is, as soon as I started lathering this shampoo in my hair, I felt like my hair was being stripped of moisture, which is the total opposite of what it's like advertising. But I really did feel like my hair felt dry. Like, after I washed the shampoo out of my hair, I felt like my hair felt really dry and just like not moisturized at all. And I know shampoo is not necessarily meant to give you that intense hydration, you know, it is also to wash your hair out and wash any previous product, but it was completely drying out my hair. And this one says it's sulfate free. It says also free from paraffins, parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. So definitely wasn't a huge fan of the hydrating shampoo. So for the conditioner, it says it's silicone free, and it's also free from paraffins, parabens, phthalates, and mineral oils. And I did not get the hydration that I was expecting from this conditioner. I really wanted my hair to be moisturized and soft, and it didn't give me that. And I was really disappointed because I had such high hopes, because I personally really like Cantu. Cantu is one of the curly hair brands that I first tried when I started like really getting into curly hair and all that stuff, and I loved their products, and I still like the original stuff, but I was expecting so much more from this hydrating line, and I didn't really receive it, at least with the shampoo and conditioner so far. A good wash and go and a good hair day really starts with the products I use in the shower. So if you walk out the shower and your hair is feeling dry and not moisturized, it's not going to set you up for a good wash day. So I'm a little bit nervous to see how the rest of the products work on my hair, but let's just move on and try them out. So I have the curl activator and the curling cream. The only thing I'm missing is the moisturizing gel, which I really wanted to try, but I could not find it anywhere. Maybe one day I'll get my hands on it and try it out. But since these are both cream products, and I think the curling cream is a little bit heavier, I don't want to pile them both on all of my hair. So I am going to split my hair in half and do one side curling cream and the other side curl activator, and see what the difference is, if there even is a difference, and just see how my hair turns out. So yeah, I have tried the original activator, and it's one of my favorite products ever, along with their like argan oil leave-in conditioner. Those two together make my hair and my wash and go bomb every time. I can always count on it to make my hair look good. So I have really high hopes for this one. So to detangle my hair, I'm going to be using my Tangle Buster Mini from KarecCo. I love this brush, my favorite detangling brush ever. I'm going to start with the curl activator on my left side, and the curl activator says it is made with avocado oil and shea butter. It defines and softens hair for frizz-free curls, and it's silicone free, also free from paraffins, parabens, phthalates, and mineral oils. So to style my hair, I'm just going to be doing my normal technique, which is just to style my hair using a 9-row brush. So I'm going to apply the product section by section and then brush it out with my 9-row brush. I don't really know if it smells like avocado, but it does have a really nice smell. And that was a lot. I don't know why I did that. I'm just putting the extra right here because I just put so much on my hand. I gotta wipe that off. So I'm using my 9-row brush from KarecCo. So you really don't need a lot of this product, and I should have known that from using the original one. I feel like it has the same consistency. It's pretty thick consistency, but it's very creamy, and a little bit does go a long way. So yeah, I'm really trying to be light-handed with the amount of product that I put in my hair because it'll just weigh my hair down, and that's with any product really. So the curl activator side is completely done, and usually nowadays, you know, I would put a gel on top of a cream to make sure that my style stays locked in and that my curls are super defined. But I have used the curl activator cream, at least the original one. I have used that one plenty and plenty of times with no gel on top, and my curls always came out still looking really good. Actually, I'm gonna link maybe in one of the cards, or I'll link it in the description box. One of my first curly hair videos, I think it was the first curly hair video I did on my channel, was a curly hair routine, a Cantu curly hair routine, and I used all of the original products. So that video got copyrighted, but I'll still link it down so you guys can see it. It's kind of like really old, and I don't know. It's really old, and yeah, memories. But I am going to apply this one on this side. This one is made with shea butter, mango butter, and coconut oil. It also moisturizes and defines hair for frizz-free curls. This one's also silicone free. If I didn't mention, the curl activator was also silicone free. This one almost seems more of like a leave-in conditioner. It's like, it smells exactly the same, and it's super thick. It's hard to tell if they're kind of like the same texture just because this one's in a jar and that one's out of a bottle, but it is very thick and creamy. Let me go ahead and separate my hair. Okay, right off the bat, this curling cream doesn't feel as moisturizing as the curl activator. Like, I feel like I put a little bit of the curl activator in my hair and it really moisturized my hair and it felt like it was doing something. This, I feel like I keep having to put more in my hair for it to feel like soft and like it's coated well, which I'm a little nervous about because I don't want to keep putting more and more and then just like drench my hair. but it just doesn't feel like it's doing anything. Okay, so I just finished applying all of the product in my hair, and I do have to say that I feel like the Curl Activator cream was a little bit more moisturizing, and like I said, this one I felt like I needed a lot more, which was surprising because of how thick it felt. But I don't know, we'll just see how it comes out. I'm gonna let it air dry. I probably will diffuse it, but I definitely will let it air dry for a few hours before I even touch the blow. I'm just using a random diffuser, a random blow dryer from like Marshall's or something, and I'm gonna put it on low and cool. So my hair is pretty much dry. I'm just going to go in and start separating my curls, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this argan oil on my fingertips so that I can help reduce frizz. These are my final results. I feel like I don't see a major difference between each side. The Curl Activator side definitely has more of a hold. It still has that like casting around it. It's not crunchy at all, but it definitely feels like it will hold up longer and my curls will stay defined for much longer. This side, on the other hand, feels like it is super soft, and in a few hours or by tomorrow it won't look as good. This side I feel like has maybe a little bit more volume. Yeah, and overall I feel like I do have a little more frizz than normal, but that is expected because I didn't use a gel or a mousse to kind of seal everything in. If I would have got my hands on the avocado hydrating gel, it would have been perfect, and I'm sure both of these would have came out so much better, and they probably would last so much longer, especially this side. I really don't feel like this side is going to hold up long at all. It's just too soft. It almost feels like there's nothing in my hair. So I would have to say that I really do like both of these products, and I feel like it's worth your money, and they're only like $5.99, $6 depending on where you get it from. So definitely something you should pick up if you get the chance, if you find it, and you should try it out on your hair. I could care less for the shampoo and the conditioner. Definitely not worth your money, not worth your $6, and I just wouldn't use that again. Hopefully this video helped you out if you were interested in purchasing the avocado collection and seeing how it worked in your hair. If you have similar hair type to me, I have like 3A, 3B-ish mixture. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you go. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post a new video. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!